Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Learning Accounts with Veena. Today's topic is format of cash flow statement. As I have already told you in earlier videos that cash flow statement consists of three activities. Number one is operating activity, number two is investing activities, and number three is financing activity. Let us start with the format. You have to write name of the company ABC Limited. Then cash flow statement is always prepared for the year end date. For the year end date, if year end date is given, you have to write that. Otherwise, this. This is indirect method. This statement is prepared as per Accounting Standard 3 revised. Okay. First activity is cash flows from operating activity. Profit before tax in note number. I will explain you after this format. You have to write it here. Net profit before tax. Then adjustments for non-cash items and non-operating items. Non-operating expenses and losses are added back to profit, like depreciation, preliminary expenses for expenses on issue of shares or discount on issue of debentures, etc., etc. Then goodwill amortized or any other intangible assets written off should be added back to profit. Then interest paid, loss on sale of fixed assets, and then increase in provision for bad and doubtful debts. Deduct non-operating incomes like interest received, dividend received, rental income, gain on sale of fixed assets, decrease in provision for bad and doubtful debts, all should be deducted. You have to write it in bracket. And total of this you have to write here. Then operating profit before working capital changes. Write it here. Then working capital consists of current assets and current liabilities. Now you have to take current assets and current liabilities. Increase in current assets and increase in current liabilities, it is a loss. Loss should be added back to operating profit. Less increase in current asset, decrease in current liabilities. Both are profits. Operating profit activities you will get. Less income tax paid. Here income tax paid operating activities. If answer is from, if answer is negative, then you have to write net cash used in operating activities. B. Cash flow from investing activities. In investing activities, only fixed assets, whether it is intangible or tangible, and non-current investments should be shown. The proceeds from sale of tangible fixed assets, intangible fixed assets, and non-current investments. Activities causes inflow of cash, so you have to add these. Then interest and dividend received and rent received. It should be shown in investing activities, though rent paid and interest paid is to be shown in financing activity. It is assumed that rent received and interest and dividend received should be further invested. Assets, intangible assets and non-current assets causes outflow of cash, so you have to deduct it. Finally, net cash from investing activities. If answer is in from word and if it is in negative, you have to write cash, net cash from investing activities in finally here. Cash flow from financing activities. In case of financing activities, only shares, debentures and long-term loans should be taken. Proceeds from issue of shares or debentures and long-term borrowings should be taken. This causes inflow of cash, so you have to add these items. Then decrease in bank overdraft or cash credit. Payment of interim dividend, proposed dividend for previous year, interest paid, dividend paid. Interest received and dividend received we have taken in investing activities, but interest paid and dividend paid should be shown in financing activity. All these activities causes outflow of cash, so you have to deduct it. Repayment of loan, redemption of debentures or preference shares. Then next is net cash from financing activity. If it is after taking cash flows from operating activities, add cash flows from investing activities and cash flows from financing activity. You have to write total here. This is net increase or decrease in cash and cash equivalent. If it is positive, that net increase in cash and cash equivalent. If it is negative, net decrease in cash and cash equivalent. Okay. Decrease you have to show in brackets. Then you have to add cash and cash equivalent in the beginning of the year. Equivalent at the beginning of the year you have to add it. Then this is cash and cash equivalent at the end of the year. As I have already told you that net profit of the current year we will calculate at the end of this statement. So this is calculation of net profit before tax. Net profit for the current year you have to take, add, transfer to reserves, any type of reserves or profit and loss account, any type of reserve. Then propose dividend for previous year and you have to add interim dividend paid during the year and provision for current year you have to show here, and tax paid for previous year you have to show in operating activity in the end. Less refund of tax, net profit before tax. This should be taken in operating activity here. Net profit before tax. This is all about today's video.